How to convert video from MOV to MP4 on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to convert video from MOV to MP4 on iPhone. While both are really good media types, sometimes MOVs are just not compatible with video editing apps. And that's the time that you would like them to be an MP4. If you are a Mac user, the first method is for you and is really easy. To start, open your camera roll and look for the video you'd like to convert. Select the leftmost icon at the bottom of the page and just select AirDrop. Make sure that AirDrop on your Mac is on so that you can find its name on this page. Just select your device. After transferring the video to your Mac, you should see that the file type is MOV. Just click on this video, click Rename, and change MOV to MP4. Just confirm you'd like it to be MP4 and wait for the changes to take effect. Changing the file extension just like what we did works perfectly fine because MP4 videos almost have the same properties as MOV videos. If you need the video on your iPhone, all you need to do is click on it, select Share from the drop-down, and select AirDrop. Select the device you'd like to transfer it to, and just wait for it to complete. Once complete, go to your iPhone and just confirm it's on your camera roll. Here's mine. And that's how easy it is to convert MOV to MP4 on your iPhone. But what if you don't have a Mac? Let me show you another way on how to do it. From the App Store, just look up something like Video Converter. And there you have it. You should have a lot of options here, but let's pick the first one. Just download it and wait for it to complete. Once downloaded, just open the app and select Photos to go to your camera roll and select the video you'd like to convert. You should automatically be back to the application once you selected the video you'd like to convert. And as you can see from this page, this video you selected is currently an MOV. Just select MP4 from the options in order for you to convert it. But as you can see, it is required for you to have the premium version of this application in order for you to convert the video. But you don't have to worry because there are other options from the App Store, and the process should also be similar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. See ya!